I'm going to share with you how my YouTube video that got 43,000 views in the first 7 days made $4,982 within those first 7 days. And no, it is not just all from YouTube AdSense. In fact, the majority of it is not from YouTube AdSense. This video is sponsored by Storyblocks, but more on them later. Okay, so first of all, the video that did $4,982 in the first 7 days was my easiest digital side hustle for women over 40 video. $4,343 of that total amount came from sales of my digital product, which is my membership, Freedom Creator Club. And the remaining $639 came from YouTube AdSense. And again, that was just from the first 7 days of that video going live. It has earned significantly more as the days have gone on, which is really, really cool too. The key to earning this amount of money from a YouTube video in 7 days is, of course, having a digital product to sell. Because if I didn't, I would have only made $639 from YouTube AdSense, which is still really good and really awesome. And I love YouTube AdSense. However, who wouldn't love to make an additional $4,343 in 7 days? I know I would. And I think it's really important that we talk about this because I just see so many creators leaving so much money on the table, or worse, not being able to go full time with their YouTube channel because they're not making enough money because they're solely relying on YouTube AdSense. And yeah, I do know a handful of creators making a lot of money with YouTube AdSense, but I don't see it being the norm, especially in niches outside of make money online, because make money online and financial niches get paid a lot more with AdSense than other niches. Like vlogging and gaming makes pretty much next to nothing when it comes to AdSense unless they have like a super, super massive channel. So if you want to go full time with YouTube, earn more money with YouTube, earn more money with your side hustle, this is one of, if not the best ways to do that. And if you've been thinking about creating your own digital product to sell on your YouTube channel, but you're just not sure what to create or what type of digital product to make it, I have a totally free download that has a list of all 54 different types of digital products that you can download in the link in the description below this video completely for free. Okay, now let's dive a little bit deeper into the YouTube AdSense portion, which was $639, which is amazing for the first 7 days. And as of now, it's been 14 days since this video has gone live. And the video is now up to $1,160 just from YouTube AdSense alone. Like seriously, how cool is that? Now, how YouTube AdSense kind of works to determine how much money I should make from a video, it is going to be a combination of the views and your CPM, cost per melee, however people decide they want to say it. No matter which way I say it, I get yelled at in the comments. So whatever it is, let me know below if you have a preference. But basically what CPM means is it's what advertisers are willing to pay to advertise on your videos, and the ads that run on your videos are essentially split between you and YouTube. If your videos are desirable for advertisers to place videos on and there's a lot of competition, this drives the CPM up. Whereas if your channel is in a niche that people don't really like to advertise on, then this would result in a low CPM, which would result in low money from YouTube AdSense. And of course, if you want to increase your AdSense money, then you can be in a niche that pays more and has a higher CPM, or you can get more views on your videos. But another way to increase your AdSense money is with your AVD, aka average view duration. Because when your video holds viewers for longer, that means that they are on the platform longer, which means they see more ads, which means you get more money that YouTube is going to split with you when it comes to advertisers running ads on your videos. Because again, more views and more views for longer equals more money for YouTube and more money for your channel. And one great way to increase your average view duration is to add elements into your video editing, like B-roll, clips, animations, graphics, sound effects, and more. And you can get all of those from Storyblocks, the sponsor of this video. Storyblocks is a stock media subscription service offering video, audio, images, and more that content creators can get unlimited access to for one predictable monthly subscription price. No more having to pay per clip and then ending up spending way more money on an editing project than you anticipated. And no more having to spend hours scouring the internet looking for the perfect clips when your subscription has lots of media assets at your fingertips all in one place. I myself and my team absolutely love using Storyblocks and having all of these media assets all in one place that we can easily search for. It makes it so easy for my team to find the media assets that they're looking for to take my videos to the next level. In fact, most of the B-roll you've seen in this video was sourced from Storyblocks. If you're wanting to take your video editing to the next level and give Storyblocks a try, go to storyblocks.com/Molly Kaiser or click the link in the description or the pinned comment below this video. And a huge thanks again to Storyblocks for sponsoring this video. Okay, now that you know how much money my video earned and that it earned it from AdSense, but mostly from digital products, you might be wondering how people go from just being a YouTube viewer to actually being a buyer of a digital product. Well, here's how it works. I put out 1 to 2 YouTube videos every single week, and within those videos, I mention 1 to 3 times my freebies, just like I did earlier in this video with the free list of 54 different digital products. And when people go to download that, they put in their name and email so we can email it to them, and they're also getting on my email list. And from there, I have a series of automated emails that further nurture and give free content and also invite people to purchase my digital products. So how it works is it goes YouTube viewer to email subscriber to purchaser. And you may or may not know this, but email marketing is actually 40 times more effective at getting sales than social media alone. So if you haven't started building your email list yet, I would highly recommend it. And if you want my totally free email list builder bundle, you can download it in the link in the description below this video completely for free. I also wanted to add a couple other ways that I am making income from that video and also all of my videos. And I didn't even include this revenue in the video total that I shared earlier because these ones are more tracked monthly and not tracked per video. So that video mostly made money from digital products and then a little bit from AdSense, but I do also earn revenue from my videos in the form of affiliate income and also brand deals. So as you saw, I had a brand deal earlier in this video, and we don't get brand deals on every single video that we do, but they have been increasing, and it's harder to track because the women over 40 video that I made this video about didn't have a brand deal in it. So that's one of the reasons I didn't mention it, but I did want to bring up that that is one way that I have been increasing the revenue that I've been earning from YouTube. And then also affiliate income. Now, affiliate income, I have a few links linked in the description below. So I have a link to a free System.io account, which is an affiliate link. I also have a link to a Spotter Studio free trial, which is what I use to find like great topic ideas for my YouTube videos. And then I also have an affiliate link to a free trial of School, which is what I use to host my membership. So we mostly track these on a monthly basis. So it's hard to know like how many sales came from that exact video, which is why I didn't include it. But I did want to mention that these are additional revenue streams that I make from my videos as well. So now that you know how I earned $4,982 in 7 days from one YouTube video, you might be feeling inspired to start your own channel. So let's go ahead and get started now, because you've probably been watching a lot of videos like these to get inspired and motivated, or maybe you're just curious about having a channel, or maybe you've started a channel and you're just wanting to watch these videos because you're wanting to grow. Let me know in the comments below, do you have a channel? Do you not have a channel? If you do, let me know what is your channel and what it's about. And if you don't, let me know what you potentially would like to make your channel about, because taking action, even if it's just commenting on this video, is what is really going to help you to get to that next level. Now, keep in mind, do not put any links in the comments below because YouTube will just automatically not publish your comment then. Let me know. I want to know more about you. I want to learn more about your channel. So let me know in the comments below. And now that you know how I made $4,982 from one YouTube video in 7 days, you might be wanting to know how I made $2,387 in one weekend. Yes, that's just 2 days. But how do you do that? Well, it all starts with watching this video next here, because when you pair what you just learned with what's in this video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you in the next video.